এখন আমার তনুশ্রীকে দেখলেই মনে পড়ে অমল বাবু আর কি অমল বাবু আর তারক বাবু, অমল বাবু তারক বাবু,
অমল বাবু তারক বাবু.
So that was going on in my head in a loop. So these two characters would come
Then
and go, come
we used to edit. আমরা যাইছি বলছি.
We used to edit. এরকম একটা ব্যাপার হয়েছে। সেকেন্ড, আমি হঠাৎ করে মাথায় এলাম, এটা বেরিয়ে গেছে মাথা থেকে, তনুশ্রীর সাথে আমার প্রথম কো অ্যাক্টিং ইন স্ক্রিন কিন্তু একটা জম্বিস্তান বলে ছবিতে, আর সেটাতে মানে আমি একদিন শুট করেছিলাম, খালি একটা অভিনব একটা মনোলগ লিখে দিয়েছিলাম, সেটা গিয়ে বলে চলে এসেছিলাম। আমি দেখছি যে আমাদের যখনই আলাপ হচ্ছে, হয় একটা রিয়েল লাইফ প্যান্ডেমিক, নয়তো রিয়েল লাইফ প্যান্ডেমিক, পোস্ট প্যান্ডেমিক, আর নয়তো এরকম টাইপের শুট। এবার আমি মানে প্যান্ডেমিক থাকছে, আমি ওই জন্য ইউনিভার্সকে একটা মানে প্রেয়ার জানাতে চাই যে নেক্সট টাইম when we work together hopefully, তো সেটা যেন একটু should be normal, should be flowery, yeah, we should go with a little bit of ease.
Acha, so my next question is directed to Chominder.
Anansha, let's do something interesting. একটা last প্রশ্ন করে let's try to wrap it up within 5 minutes. আমরা rapid fire টা আগে করে নিই.
Right. So I'll be asking you all a few questions, and you all have to spontaneously answer the questions. Okay, you all cannot take time to think.
I'm very bad. Listen, I am very, very bad in this.
Okay, so maybe you can take like a few seconds.
What will I get if I
yeah, I was just going to ask, is there a winner?
What will I
announce a winner, then I'll be like,
okay,
ঠিক আছে, তোমাদের দুজনের মধ্যে আমরা winner announce করব.
Yeah, so the most creative answer.
Okay.
এই বাবা,
কারণ
এটা সেটা ভাবা উচিত ছিল।
No, nothing without gift.
No, yeah. We are very materialistic people.
I am very materialistic, and I accept this.
We'll come up with something and send it across to your address once we decide the winner then.
Yeah.
Okay. So there are 14 questions, all right. So the first one is, what would you go for, intelligence or looks?
Intelligence. You asking me?
No, to both of you all.
Oh, both? Okay, then how is it rapid fire,
yeah.
Rapid fire.
Okay, so I'll divide the questions. Acha, okay. So I'll start with Tanushree first. All right. Okay, we are done with the first question.
মানে একটা করো, একটা আমার, একটা ওকে.
Done.
Acha, all right.
Coffee with Karan light.
Yes. So
somebody's saying.
Chominder, yeah. So what's a spirit animal?
Yeah, I would go for intelligence.
All right. Chominder, what's a spirit animal?
Spirit animal would be fish.
Okay, nice. Tanushree, what do you love about yourself and hate at the same time?
I sometimes I'm very lazy, so I hate that. And what I love about myself, I think a lot, and I think deeply, so I love that.
Great. Chominder, what is that one dish you absolutely cannot resist?
Lasagna.
Tanushree, what's the funniest rumor that you've heard about yourself?
That I bought a Audi. Somebody gifted me an Audi, and I don't know.
Okay.
I cannot find it very soon.
Getting an Audi is quite a good rumor.
Yeah,
but I haven't got it. So.
But it's a positive rumor. It's a nice one.
Positive rumor. Nice rumor.
Yeah. Chominder, if you had to choose an alternate career and not an actor, what would you choose?
I will probably go back to being a copywriter and create content independently. I'll do something creative for sure.
Okay. Tanushree, what do you look for in your significant other? One specific quality.
I couldn't get it. Sorry.
What do you look for in your significant other? One specific quality that you look for in your significant other.
That is interesting.
This question is directed to the both of you. Okay. So you also cannot escape it.
No, you answer. You answer first. You answer.
You're deciding.
This is very difficult for a rapid fire question, but still,
this can be a tiebreaker sort of a thing. Yeah. This question.
Oh, really? Okay.
Could be.
Me, it would. See, I'm a sapiosexual person. For me, looks really come second. And also, I think the concept of looks is very perceptive. So to each its own. But to me, I
Mhm.
think what would be a deal breaker is if a person is really kind-hearted and hardworking. You know, these two traits would really make the person my soulmate, in my opinion.
Right.
Tanushree, তুমি
Directed to you. Yeah.
Okay. If somebody is emotional and I think there has to be sorted and smart, like has to have sense of humor. Yeah. There.
Okay. The next question is also towards you, which is
And
that
not
one
necessarily
film.
he has to have
Okay.
not necessarily like অনেকেই বলে ক্রিয়েটিভ লোকেদেরই পছন্দ হয় আমার অনেক সময় ক্রিয়েটিভ নয় এরকম লোককেও পছন্দ হয় so not necessarily he has to be creative.
My next question is also towards you, which is that one film you wish you would have done in the past. Start by somebody else, but you wish you would have done in their place.
I really wanted to play one male character. Dil Chahta is Akshay Khanna's character. I really
Oh,
want.
how lovely! Yeah,
Oh,
Nice.
yeah.
That's
I
actually
love that
nice.
character.
It's a really nice
I love
one.
that.
It's a good
Sid.
answer.
I love that character.
Yeah.
But I don't know why I want to. As a female, I want to play it. Of course, I want to play a character like this.
It was a really nice character.
Yeah, very nice character.
Yeah. Shauminda, my next question is towards you, which is
Yes,
that
ma'am.
one web series that you're hooked to.
Apart from mine,
Yeah, like in general. Yeah.
no. So I've been recently watching this series called Easy on Netflix, and I quite like it. It's very fresh and different from what I've been watching. And Breaking Bad is my all-time favorite. I'm always hooked. I watch it once every year.
Oh, it's so disturbing. Breaking
Is it?
Bad is.
No, you have to watch the
Yeah,
entire
it is
thing.
very
It's actually
good.
a family
Very
drama
good,
if you look at
of
it.
course.
There are a lot of layers. Because I'm
Anansha,
a blood shit fed bhal lage na, but
Anansha, what's your favorite web series?
Mine, The Big Bang. You're asking me?
The Big
Yeah.
Bang Theory.
The Big Bang Theory, yeah.
I'll go
Any
with-
day.
I'll
I
go
can
with
watch it round the year.
I'll go with Brooklyn Nine-Nine, but Big Bang Theory and Brooklyn Nine-Nine, I'll just compare them on same levels.
Sheldon is an
Tomato
all-time mood, so we can go.
Please.
Yeah.
And
There are
what's
many like I liked Fauda.
yeah, Fauda is a superb series.
Yeah,
But
Fauda
it is
I
also very
really liked.
disturbing. It has so much of bloodshed.
No, not
Hardcore
because
तो
of
कोई ना कोई
that.
मर रहा है.
Not because of that. It's like this guy. I don't like really irritating. Breaking Bad. But
Oh, Bryan
I like
Cranston.
Fauda. Yeah, Bryan Cranston. And I like Fauda. I like Money Heist. Yeah, Money Heist. I
Oh.
like Sinner. The Sinner.
The Sinner is
All
good.
right.
The
So
Sinner
the
is
next
good.
question.
Yeah.
It's also
Yeah.
towards the two of you. What are the 3 things you won't leave your home without? 3 things.
Many
Ladies
things.
first.
Many things. I won't leave without sanitizer.
Of course.
Nowadays,
Very
not like
mandatory these days.
normally.
Yeah, yeah.
These are the nowadays. Like I'm gonna say like.
But in general, what would you
like,
not?
In general,
Yeah.
okay. And in general, tissue paper. Money, of course, money.
Yeah.
And I won't live without money. This is I can really feel insecure. And tissue paper and my car.
Right. সোমনদা এই সুযোগটা নিয়ে ভেবে নিল সোমনদা বলে ফেলো
No, bhabini ami. See, I'm as it is. I'm a very minimal kind of a guy, and I like to travel light. So, if I'm traveling in my car, then of course my car will be there.
No, but I am.
Otherwise,
Of course, I am staying here. If I go out, if I walk down, people will come and
Yeah.
they would like to click pictures. But I would love that. But in general, আমি যখন বাইরে গেছি তখন বম্বেতে তখন আমি উইদাউট গাড়ি So I love that, and I love to walk down. But
Likewise.
otherwise, like I love that. But we can't.
Right. Shomanda, তুমি বলে ফেলো।
Yeah, so like I said, I travel very light. So I think the basic essential, if I'm traveling somewhere local, then I think the wallet and of course a pair of trousers and a shirt or a t-shirt that you're wearing, because going out naked would be a little too blasphemous.
Right. ঠিক আছে।
Without your shoes?
Yeah, I mean, your chappals or your...
I think it
no, see,
comes
without
with it.
shoes also works, you know, because it's good for your pituitary glands. You know, M.F. Hussain walked barefoot his entire life. No. Of course, I would wear my chappals or shoes.
Tanushree, which is the one song that you're hooked to? Your go-to song. You can listen to it despite of any mood.
आज जाने की जिद ना करो.
Very good composition.
Yeah.
Right. Shomanda, তুমি যদি
And
তোমার-
like and many more, like Shape of You and all
Okay.
it's in my loop.
Shomanda, তোমারটা?
Favorite song?
Yeah. And despite
I'm
of any mood, you
classically-
can go towards it.
Yeah, I'm classically inclined. কারণ আমার মা ক্লাসিক্যাল সিঙ্গার আপ্পাজি গির্জা দেবীর শাগির্দ ছিলেন উনি, তো আমি খুব I listen to a lot of Indian ragas, etc. I love Anushka Shankar. Recently আমি ব্যাকগ্রাউন্ড মিউজিক বেশি পছন্দ করি as opposed to songs. যদিও REM is my all-time favorite. Man on the Moon, I can listen to it anytime. I really like that song. But otherwise, I love listening to background scores or any classical rendition.
Right.
Who's
Okay,
your favorite author? Yeah. Who's your favorite? Last question.
Yeah, favorite author.
Yeah.
Right now, I'm actually reading the autobiography of a yogi. I'm revisiting it. So it's an autobiography. So I'm quite enjoying it. But otherwise, I like a lot of writers. I like Vikram Seth. I like Amitav Ghosh. I like certain books of Paulo Coelho, Salman Rushdie. Yeah.
All right.
Arundhati Ghosh or Roy? Arundhati?
Arundhati Roy.
Arundhati Roy.
Yeah, Arundhati Roy as well. Yeah.
Tanushree, who is your favorite author?
বিভূতিভূষণের প্রচুর আমি পড়ি.
Right.
Recently আমি খুব একটা পড়িনি, মানে রিসেন্টলি আই এম টু মাচ ইনটু, আমি প্রচুর ছবি দেখেছি, প্রচুর সিরিজ দেখেছি. আমি খুব একটা বেশি আমার খুব একটা পড়ার হ্যাবিট নেই.
Right. Okay. So
I also love Gustavo Santaolalla, if I'm pronouncing him correct. Do you guys know who's Gustavo Santaolalla?
Most probably Spanish হবে, যতদূর নামটা শুনে বুঝি।
বেবেলের যে মিউজিক দিয়েছে, যে ধোবি ঘাটের মিউজিক দিয়েছে।
আচ্ছা।
Okay.
I think he's amazing. He's ethereal. It's superb. Yeah.
Thank you so much for joining this session. আজকে এতটাই রাখছি আমাদের কমিউনিটি ইন্টারাকশন সেশনের। আগেই সবাইকে বলে রাখি, ডু go and watch জি বাংলা অরিজিনালস নির্বাণ ধামে জোড়া খুন, এটা পুজোয় রিলিজ হচ্ছে। তনুশ্রীদি এটা একজন লিড রোল প্লে করছে, সোমনদাও আছে ওখানে অজিতের রোলে। হি ইজ দি ASI, হি ইজ প্লেইং ASI on screen. So we request everyone to please go and watch Nirbandh Dhame Jora Khun on Zee Bangla Originals, and that would be all for today's live session. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Shrey. Thank you, Ananksha.